Hey, what's up, Anchor holders? So it's a really great news and absolutely urgent news for all Anchor coin holder. Anchor coin holder, I tell you, my friends, to must watch this video to you understand better now, please. My friends, as you can see, my friends, this is on the last 24-hour chain. So just in only clearly, my brother, this show you to the day or in the profit and last 24-hour. My brothers, try to understand. In last 24-hour, this coin is give you a profit, but last 7 days, this coin is completely fails down. And in the last 1 hour, also, my friend, this coin is fails down. So all holders are completely confused, my friends, to what we do, my friends, sell, hold or buy. So I will share my opinion to what I do, because I'm also holder of Anchor coin. I just, my friends, make this video for all my new brothers, my all holders, especially who follow ABS6 channel. 10,000 people, my friends, subscribe ABS6 channel. So it's me today are all trust on ABS6 channel. So if you also, my friend, new in cryptocurrencies, just you only subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. I hope you never lost if you follow this channel. My brother, this time the Ankr coin, one of the fastest coin in the crypto market, and tomorrow, my friends, 2 days you go to all crypto market is wake up and every coin is in the profit. But my friends, especially in last 1 hour, I think this is short failed absolutely after this chart, my friend. You can see, my brother, this chart is completely short, my brother. So this is short fail. Don't see this short fails all week, my friend. This coin is fails down, but my friends, 2 days you go to this coin is starting moving up for now, and absolutely just in only in 2 days, my friends, they will recover all the loss now. So I'm so happy to see this. But holders are doing very big mistake, they're starting selling. So I told you, my brothers, I give you guarantee to if you starting selling, so you are in the loss, and if you hold, so they will give you a very good profit. So you need to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the Anchor price will be increasing if you hold. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. The price will, I hope, my friend, increase if you hold. So hold it, don't sell it. Remember, my brothers, especially this is short fails, and absolutely this is short jump. So don't see it is short jump, short fails, and just only hold it to the 2022. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching, Anchor holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.